Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment key for the class 10 standard, and here we have the lesson social movements in our times, and the subtopics are about globalization, marginalized people and environmental movements. Clear? Coming to the first question, what is Greenpeace movement? What is Greenpeace movement? Greenpeace movement mainly deals with the environmental issues like pollution and climate change. It has developed the idea of sustainable development. It has been taken the idea from the sustainable development. What is the meaning of sustainable development? In the sense, developing the country without harming the environment. Again I repeat, developing the country without harming the environment is said to be as sustainable development. Here clearly Greenpeace movement, in the sense, it deals with the environmental issues, completely deals with the environmental issues like pollution and climatic changes. It has developed the idea of sustainable development. Coming to the next question, what is the effect of globalization on the people? Yes, globalization on the people. Tribal and marginal farmers are being threatened by commercial farmers, mining corporations, dams, projects, etc. Yes, tribals, especially the tribals, the people who completely depended upon the forest areas. The people who have been completely dependent upon the forest areas are about the tribals. As when the deforestation has been taken part or the Forest Act has been implemented, the lives of the tribals have been disturbed a lot. Why? Because many of the tribals have been moved away from the forest areas, and that forest has been taken under the control of the government. Clear? So, second, so not only about the tribals and also the farmers, the poor farmers, you can go through about the poor farmers, where we can say about daily laborer. Clear? Farm laborer. So what here it indicates about is about farm laborer, where they have to live about their farm, and again they can go through any type of the nearby farmers or nearby areas they are going to cultivate with getting about less wages. So these are all the things can indicates about the globalization and the dams and the mining corporation by digging about the earth, and regarding about a number of projects which has been implemented by the government. The lives of the poor people have been affected seriously. Clear? A large number of companies, second point children, a large number of companies find rare resources in the remote rural areas. There has been rapid increase in farming and population. When there is a huge development of the multinational companies, automatically it has been occupied with a number of people, and at the same time large number of companies find rare resources in remote rural areas, especially rural areas. There has been a rapid increase in farming and population. Next, this led to the destruction of tribal cultures. Yes, the forest, when the forest has been completely deforested, in the sense the forest has been completely destroyed, the lives of the tribal have been affected seriously. This is going to be effect to the lives of the tribal people, at the same time their cultures. So they became the most vulnerable section of the society, the least section. Earlier they have been treated those people as the least section. Clear? So coming to the next question children, how do you appreciate Chipko movement? Yes, we have to appreciate the role of the women, especially who have been gathered and who have been followed, who have been involved in this movement. Why? Because hugging. The word indicates about hugging. At the time of deforestation of the forest, clear, to protect about the forest areas, the people, especially the women, have been gone through the forest and they have been gone through hugging the tree. They have been gone through hugging the tree. Yes, in the sense, it is not only for few minutes. They have been taken for more than 24 hours. More than 24 hours. Clear? They have been gone through hugging the tree and they have been standing there itself only. Because of that action, the forest or the government, Forest Act or the government has been came to do some changes in the forest, where we call it as a Chipko movement. The Chipko movement is a movement of afforestation, protection of the forest children, and caring about the trees through the act of hugging trees to protect them from being felled in the sense cutting. Clear? The Chipko movement started in the early 1970s in Gaharwal, Himalayas of Uttarakhand, then in Uttar Pradesh, with growing awareness of rapid deforestation. Many people, especially many women, have been joined this movement and they successfully gone through getting a good result in their movement. Chipko movement. Clear, children? I hope you enjoyed the sessions. Have a nice day. Thank you.